Right, this is an exciting sanding set that I just got. It all comes in this one little box, very affordable price, and you get so much. If you do a lot of sanding with wood and say on a lathe, this is the set you want. You may not want this for metal or for like car work or something like that, but for wood sanding and really fine project wood, you can't beat this set. All of the tools have the soft foam that you can take off. So if you want it really flat, you can use that. If you need a contour, like on a bowl on a lathe or something, or a spindle, you want that foam. And this is the 3-inch. They've got the 2-inch, same thing with the foam pad, all with the hook and loop. And then you've got 80, 180, 240, all the way up to 3,000 grit on the 3-inch pads. And then 1,500, 2,000, 3,000 on the 2-inch pad. And then an assortment of different hardware if you need different, or fasteners to hook up the pads a different way. But great system. We will be using this and we'll get right into it.